Hey guys, CBR Rider 93 here. It's awfully windy. Taking the bike to the shop. I need an oil change, and I need want to get the clutch looked at. It's been slipping at high RPMs and just shifting really hard and acting funny, and I don't think it's ever been looked at. So basically, I'm going to get it looked at. I'm gonna drop it off today, and they're gonna diagnose it Thursday and then call me. So see what's wrong with it. It might just need plates or a basket or something. I'm not so sure, but you know, that's what I pay them for. So we're heading to the dealership or to the shop now, and I'm gonna drop it off. And that's what I mean. It's just shifted funny. It didn't do this last summer, so we'll get her in the shop, get her looked at, and hopefully it's nothing too expensive. Hopefully I don't have to go get a loan just to pay for some bike repairs. So they're closed tomorrow on Wednesday, so they'll look at it Thursday and call me. If I got to put some parts into the clutch, that's no big deal. I don't mind. I'd rather it be running in top condition for my exam anyways, so we'll get her looked at, and hopefully, like I said, it's nothing too bad. So and I said might as well do an oil change while she's in there. Damn, it shifts so hard. It didn't do that last summer, so I'll have them look at it. Like I said, I really hope it's not too serious. Exam is the 22nd of May, and tomorrow is the 1st of May, so kind of on a time crunch here. I hope they figure it out and get her fixed and put back together before then. Otherwise, I'll have to reschedule it. It's like first, second, and third shift really hard, really clunky, and like I said, it didn't do that last summer. It was nice and smooth, so hey, it'd be even better if it was just a slight adjustment. I mean, I've never had the clutch apart on this bike before, so it's got 24,000 miles on it, so who knows? It might need a new clutch. I don't know. Like I said, if I'm really standing on it on the highway, high RPMs, it'll slip like I'm getting wheel spin or I'm running over paint or something, and if that's not the case, I'm not doing that when it does that, but we'll get it looked at. Hopefully get it taken care of somewhat inexpensively. Definitely needs an oil change, I know that. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I mean, that maybe it's just me, maybe it's Honda, maybe it's just in my head, but I mean, that seems like it's not shifting as quiet as it should shift. Who knows, maybe it's just me, but hopefully these guys don't stick it up my rear end here. Alright guys, well, I'm almost at the shop, so I'll post a vlog as soon as I get out of the shop, and oh yeah, shout out to my sister Ash, my mother, and Patrick. Patrick, get a bike, will ya? Come on, let's go. See you guys soon.